They say there's something unique about every person, but looking at some, you might involuntarily think that they got the whole unique package. Internet users did not hesitate to tell us about these uncommon features of their appearance, and they are really impressive. Here is a list of 10 unusual people you will regret if you don't see them. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Romario dos Santos Elves. When Romario dos Santos Elves told people he wanted the body of the Incredible Hulk, he wasn't kidding. Through a combination of hitting the iron and injecting his muscle with synthol, which is a mix of oil and alcohol, Elves was able to dramatically increase the size of his muscles, terrifying children who saw him in the streets. Fast and simple injections for a monster-sized physique. How could anything possibly go wrong? Unfortunately for Romario and his 25-inch guns, all is not perfect. Apparently, there is a price to pay when you stuff your muscles like a goose being prepared for foie gras. Due to the toxins in the oil, the synthol injections led to several mental and physical health problems. Things got so bad, one doctor felt drastic steps were needed to save Romario's life. Seems like a lot to sacrifice for a freakishly oversized upper body. Fortunately, doctors were able to just remove some of the rocks that had formed in his muscles. Now, if they could just remove the rocks from his head. Number 9. Alan Robert. Alan Robert has become famous as the French Spider-Man for his exploits in scaling massive buildings, including the Eiffel Tower and the Empire State Building. 57-year-old Daredevil uses his bare hands without ropes or implements to free solo climb the world's greatest buildings, which often result in his arrest, but that has hardly slowed him down. The extremely talented rock climber focused his attention on urban buildings in the 1990s and has to date scaled over 100 buildings. Number 8. Jeff Dabe. Introducing Jeff Dabe, another giant to grace our list, but with a difference. Not all of him is significant. Jeff Dabe simply has improbably large hands and arms. Once he was born, doctors have involved Jeff suffered health issues that may linger throughout his life. After all, having hands that big is usually an ominous sign of things to come. Typically, babies born with arms more significant than a male adult's leg would naturally raise some alarms. However, all his tests came clear and he was in excellent health, and in time the terrible issue that everybody was involved concerning would become his prize ticket to fame. His disproportionate body earned him the nickname Popeye, and with 19-inch forearms, I would say that's appropriate. Number 7. Kevin Richardson. One recent morning, Kevin Richardson hugged a lion and then turned away to check something on his phone. The lion, a 400-pound male with paws the size of dinner plates, leaned against Richardson's shoulder and gazed magnificently into middle space. A lioness lolled a few feet away. She yawned and stretched her long, tawny body, swatting lazily at Richardson's thigh. Without taking his eyes from his phone screen, Richardson shrugged her off. The male lion, now having completed his amount of contemplation, began gnawing at Richardson's head. Richardson was referred to as the Lion Whisperer by a British newspaper in 2007, and the name stuck. There is probably no one in the world with a more recognized relationship with wild cats. The most popular YouTube video of Richardson frolicking with his lions has been viewed more than 25 million times and has more than 11,000 comments. The scope of reactions is epic, ranging from awe to respect to envy to bafflement. If he does die, he will die in his own heaven doing what he loves. And the guy chilling with lions like they're rabbits, and many versions of I want to get to do what he does. Number 6. Tristan Lee. Tristan Lee is an American bodybuilder and internet sensation. When he is not at the gym, Tristan can be found on a soccer pitch training to become a pro soccer player. Tristan's rise to fame all began when he was only 15, after he started uploading pictures of his awesome soccer skills on the web. However, it wasn't long before people noticed his incredible physique, leading him to become an online sensation. Tristan now has an entire army of fans behind his back with no signs of slowing down. Who knows what the future holds for him? Number 5. Shifu Shi Yanming. Shi Yanming is a 34th generation Shaolin warrior monk, teacher and actor, best known as the founder of the USA Shaolin Temple. Trained at the Shaolin Temple in Henan People's Republic of China since the age of 5, Shi Yanming came to the United States in 1992. Before opening the USA Shaolin Temple in Manhattan, where he has taught hundreds of students including numerous celebrities. He has made various media appearances in television including National Geographic, PBS, History, Time Magazine and the 1999 American Samurai action film Ghost Dog: The Way of the Samurai. According to the New York Times, as a young monk, Shi Yanming learned to break rocks with his skull, deflect blades with his skin, and sleep while hanging upside down from a tree branch. By the age of 17, according to Time Magazine and The New Yorker, he could deflect the tip of a spear with his neck, sleep standing on one leg, and dangle a 50-pound weight from his scrotum, a practice that helped train him to withstand a full force blow to the groin. According to accounts in Time and The New Yorker, Shi can also lick red-hot iron shovels and fly above ground upside down in full splits. Number 4. Troy James. How often do we work to hide what we were told long ago in childhood that makes us weird? After years of keeping his own unique abilities under wraps, Troy James finally shared his special talents with the world. Bend over backward and quickly skid across the floor on your hands and feet. Maybe you will have an idea of how Troy James sees the world. A contortionist from birth, Troy aka Twisty is able to move his body in ways that are a bit unnatural to the rest of us, at least. For most of his life, he had hidden this ability away. It wasn't until a friend posted a video of him walking upside down on all fours onto social media that he was discovered, and the rest has been history. He has found a unique niche in film and television as the person to call when you want to bring a horror, sci-fi or fantastical beast to life. If you need somebody to move in extra human ways, Troy is your go-to guy. Number 3. Zian Clark. We have come across tales of overcoming tough hurdles and struggles. We will never hear or read enough of them. The longer we live, the more stories we will hear that inspire us. The story of Zian Clark is one such example that is not only special but also laden with overcoming indomitable odds. Born without his legs, he was given for adoption by his parents, suffered negligence and abuse, but discovered a new life when he dedicated himself to sports. Zian Clark was born in the US city of Columbus, Ohio, with a rare medical condition known as caudal regression syndrome, a condition which left him without legs. But the determined young man, popularly known for the term "no excuses" tattooed across his back, not only managed to live without legs but also grew up to be a renowned wrestler. The switch to wrestling bettered his school experience as well. Today, he is a pro freestyle wrestler who trains twice a day and 6 days a week to ensure he stays in good shape. Number 2. Eskil Ronningsbeken, a Norwegian extreme artist, took his act to new heights as he precariously balances himself above a gorge in Hunan province, China. Eskil Ronningsbeken, known back in Norway for his death-defying acts on the edge of 1,000 feet cliffs, put himself in a series of perilous positions off the bridge, balancing off a pole, a trapeze, and a stack of chairs. The 29-year-old later admitted that strong winds made his aerial acrobatics even more difficult. Yeah, for a balloon, the wind is strong. You see, the flag is moving quite a lot. Ideally, for a balloon, it should be still. So, since we weren't tied to the ground, we were forced forth and back many times. But if we would have been flying free, it would have been a lot smoother. The Daredevil has previously admitted that his goal is to perform a one-handed handstand on top of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, a skyscraper that at 2,722 feet is the tallest building in the world. Number 1. Dean Karnazes. Named by Time magazine as one of the 100 most influential people in the world, Dean Karnazes has pushed his body and mind to unconvincible limits. Among his many accomplishments, he has run 50 marathons in all 50 US states in 50 consecutive days. He has run across Death Valley in the middle of summer, and he has run a marathon to the South Pole. On 10 separate occasions, he has run a 200-mile relay race solo, racing alongside teams of 12. His list of competitive achievements include winning the world's toughest foot race, the Badwater Ultra Marathon, and winning the 4 Deserts Challenge, racing in the hottest, driest, windiest, and coldest places on Earth. And that would be all. Let's end this one here before it gets any creepier. If you think you enjoyed, do press the like button. In case you want to continue watching videos like these, go to our YouTube channel and have some fun, guys. Make sure to drop some comments and tell us how you like the channel. We are signing off now. Keep vibing.